Is your 2011 Hyundai Sonata displaying key fob not detected? This often happens due to a weak key fob battery or a temporary glitch in the car's system. First, replace the CR232 battery in your key fob. Ensure it's a quality battery and correctly installed. Next, try a push start reset. Rapidly insert and remove the key from the ignition 10 times within 10 seconds. Then, press the brake pedal and push the start button. Wait for the key not detected message to clear. This reset often recalibrates the system and resolves software-related issues. Remember, this is typically the first and easiest solution, addressing around 60% of reported cases. If the reset procedure doesn't resolve the key fob detection issue, the problem may be with the car's antenna or receiver system. The antenna is typically located in the rear view mirror or center console and is responsible for detecting the fob signal. Start by checking for any physical obstructions or sources of interference around the antenna area. Metal objects, electronic devices, or other signals can disrupt the fob's communication with the vehicle. If the issue persists, connect an OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. This tool can read error codes from the car's computer system. Look specifically for codes like P0635, which indicates an immobilizer fault related to the key detection system. If antenna damage or receiver problems are identified, the issue may require professional attention. The Body Control Module, or BCM, which manages the vehicle's electrical systems, including key detection, might need inspection or replacement. This component is complex and should be handled by a qualified mechanic. Dealership repairs for antenna or receiver issues typically range from $200 to $600, depending on the specific problem and parts needed. Always consult a professional mechanic for diagnosis and repairs to avoid further damage or voiding your warranty.